In this video, I will show you how to quickly make a CV based on the job description with Canva AI. Okay, so let's go to Canva. Over here, we select YouTube thumbnail on the search bar, and then we go to the left-hand side and we click on the job and resume AI. Here we have to write our resume. I'll do it quick and I will just write Maria North. I am a job experience, I don't know, 4 years, let's say under 5. Okay, I'm just writing random stuffs, guys, so I can make it quick. So then I'm going to ChatGPT and I'm copying a job description so I don't take it from the internet, and then I paste it over here, and then I click generate tailored suggestion, and then we click generate, and AI analyzes my resume, and then it's gonna give me some suggestion on how to write my CV great. So these are some suggestions that Canva AI gave me for my CV, and what's amazing is that it gives me the cover letter as well. You see, it's perfect. It's everything in 2 minutes, guys. Then if you don't like it, you can regenerate your cover letter. You can also regenerate all of them or copy all of them and paste them on your document. So let's say that you want to copy all of them. Copy all. You go to resize and magic switch. You write over here CV. Let's say resume. Copy and resize and open it. Great. So here you've got some templates. Let's say that you want to go with this one and customize all these letters and this photo and all this CV. All you have to do, guys, is to change your name, change your photo, and change the details over here. That's it. Quite simple, isn't it?